Uptown Swing. Level 1 Charleston. Naomi, Peter. Saving her voice. Talking. We did Charleston, everybody. Go a little something like this. The leader's rock step on the left foot, followers on the right, and here's your pattern. Rock step, double kick. Rock step, double kick. In your dreams, kick step, double kick. In your nightmares, kick step, double kick. Forever, never stopping. Double kick. Rock step, double kick. We connect like this. I'm the leader, she's the follower. Rock step, double kick. Mainly you gotta do that a ton. The other stuff we did was a skip up and a roll back. The skip up was this. Rock step, woo! We added a roll back to it. Rock step, woo! Roll back, and we put one more, woo! So here's our pattern. 2 basics. Hey, ha, ha. We have rock step, kick step, woo! Rolling back, rock step, woo! And that was it. Hey, hey, hey.